Alright y'all, I got a project I'm telling you about today. Hope the lighting's okay. This is what I got here on top of my toolbox. Definitely professional grade stuff. But this is an all-American pressure canner from the olden days. I have no idea how old it is. If I had to guess, judging by who had it, I'd say this is probably in the 60s or 70s. And that's basically all I know about it. This was passed down to my mama, and she really didn't have anything to do with it, so I found it the other day and brought it home, and I'm going to do some restoring on it, hopefully. It's got a pressure release valve here, and I'm not sure if that works or whether really even you can still get one of them. I know the gauge is messed up. I did order one and it's already came in, but this thing is really old, and if you happen to know more about it than I do, have an idea of when it was made, go ahead and let me know that. have to come back with my drill and with that. Alright y'all, we're back cleaning this up some more. I got my drill with like a Scotch-Brite type pad on it. I can't put too much pressure on it or it actually stops turning for some reason. I think that's about as good as I can get it. I'll have to wash it off to see if it needs more, or maybe hand brush a few things. This is what we got here on the bottom. It says Wisconsin aluminum, number 7, all American. Not sure how to say that. MANITOWOC. Then under that, WIS, 15.5 quarts. And I guess this all one goes together. Wisconsin Aluminum Foundry Company Incorporated. Alright, so we'll set this down. Move on to the lid. Try to clean it up a little better because I couldn't really get to it very good with the way it's made with the sander. I really want to make sure I get this good because this is where it seals at. see what we need to touch up by hand. These little holes in here. Alright, now I'm going to put our relief valve back on. And put our little plug back in. Turn it around, maybe you can see a little better. There we go. And this was our old original gauge. It's got All American pressure cooker wrote on it. This one I ordered from the company, but this one doesn't have it on it. I'm not a huge fan of adjustable wrenches, but these Irwin brand vice grips, they're pretty good. They're about the best adjustable wrench that I've seen. See if we can get a little more of it. It's getting really tight. It's a little bit tighter than I want to get, but that way it faces the right way. And hopefully everything will seal up and we can take it in and wash it up and give it a try.